How to delete YouTube account. First of all, open any web browser. In the search bar, search for youtube.com. Tap on this three dot at the top right corner. The option of desktop site will be visible to you. Tap on it. It will open your YouTube on desktop site. Make sure you are logged into your account that you want to delete. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner. Head over to settings. At the left side of the screen, you'll get to see the option of advanced settings. Tap on it. The option of delete channel will appear at the bottom. Tap on it. Right here you need to enter the password of your Gmail account. Once you are done, tap on next. Right here it says hide or delete your content from YouTube. You need to tap on I want to permanently delete my content. Tap on both of this checkbox. And once you are ready to delete your account, tap on delete my content. It will remove all of your content and delete your account permanently. So this is all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to delete YouTube account. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.